It finished. Well, it almost finished. My Ender 3 was just a little bit short of what it could print. And if you'll notice, I have a gaping hole in its head. I'm glad I was going to put a wig on this one. I will have to design something and probably attach it to that, or make something out of some clay, air dry clay, to cover that up. But everything else printed good. I will come back in a few minutes and we'll show you the finished product. I guess I'm gonna have to try and either make it a little bit smaller. I'm thinking I'm gonna try to see if it will print on the Ender 3 Max. This will be a challenge for it. Okay. We will see you in a little bit. Good morning, everybody. That was terrible. Anyway, we finished the Elderly Grouch. We're just calling the Grouch at this point. The little video you saw at the first showed where the very top of his head did not print. That is my fault. I did not have the correct dimensions in Cura of the size of the print area for the Ender 3. It's all my fault. I'm going to get some air dry clay and reshape the top of the head a little bit. He will be wearing a wig so it won't be showed up. But the detail on this gentleman, it's hard to show, there he is, let me get him out of the light somewhere. Looks great. It is really looking fantastic, and I am just thrilled to death with it. I'm going to fixing to start printing the jaw. I'll wait till after I'm finished with this, and we'll get the jaw in it, so the next time you see him, he will have a jaw just like this guy. Hi. Hi, hi, hi. We're getting too old for this stuff. But it printed good. It's got some wavy lines in it, but you know, once you put some primer on it to seal it up, it will look fantastic. And I'm just thrilled to death with it. I really do. I went back, and after I checked the dimensions in him, I was 5% over. So if I'd made him 5% smaller, he would have had a head on top. But we will be reprinting him again when I get my Creality in here, plus this guy, just to see if it's faster. And looking forward to it. So if you're interested, I will be making more of these on these fellas and on the young lady, and a couple other things over the next few months. God, you scare me with them eyes. But anyway, y'all have a great day and have a happy 4th of July. Say something. Happy 4th of July. We're not very good at this. I don't know why we even try. But anyway, we'll talk to you later. It's got a nice mole right there, if you can see it, on the side of his head. He's going to look good. I've got all kinds of plans for this guy. You could also make him a witch if you wanted to. But anyway, till next time, bye-bye. Have a happy 4th. Should we make him scary? I think we should. I think we should make him real scary. Bye. That will not work with my left hand. Why? I don't know. Oh, put you down here. Let me get my left hand over here.